In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Begin by opening Settings and choosing Display section. In it, scroll down and tap on Font Size and Style. Then go into Font Style and click on the best one for you. I will go with Gothic Bold. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. But you can also go into exactly the same settings and tap on Download Fonts instead. Now click on the best one for you, tap on Install and wait. When your font is ready, you can go into exactly the same settings and apply it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!